4x4 parity. There's two cases you can have. You can have OLL parity or PLL parity. And I like to just call them long parity and short parity because one of the arcs is longer than the other, so that helps make the difference between them. I'm going to do what I do, so I can reference to this video later. This is not probably the best way or even a really good way to do it. This is how I do it. Okay, so this we have OLL parity here. So this the algorithm is and that solves it. So we can break it down to pieces. So when you do it in pieces, you start by doing R, W, then you do P2, U2, then you do W, U2, RW prime, you do RW, then you do U2, do W, F2, L, and that's, then you do W, P2, and RW. That's the OLL parity or non-parity if you want to call it that. Then you have PLL parity, that is something like this. And that's UW2, RW2, U2, R2, WR2, U2, UW2. If you do PLL parity in pieces, it's UW2, W2, and that's the first piece. The second piece is for step each. U2, RW2, R2, U2. And the last step is RW2 and UW2. That's the parities on 4x4, how I use it. This is not tutorial or like best way to do it. This is just for me to reference back to this video if I need to, and me just testing out this other type of video. We'll also do an example solve video that I put with a link down below so you can watch it.